Hi, I'm CC. In this video, we'll guide you through CrownCAD's collaborative design features to help you optimize your design workflow. The sharing function helps users transfer files between different accounts, supports sharing folders, projects, and individual documents. CrownCAD has a variety of file sharing methods and approaches. Method 1. In the project management interface, click the share icon corresponding to the folder divided by project to share. Method 2. In the project management interface, select the folder divided by project to share. Right-click and choose to share. Method 3. Within the project, click the share icon in the navigation bar to share the project. Method 4. In the modeling interface, click the share icon in the navigation bar to share. You can choose to share a single model document or the entire project. User sharing. File permissions can be flexibly set according to needs. Click the Permission Edit icon to change file permissions at any time. Click the Delete icon to cancel this share. Teams can share files with the participating team and support setting corresponding permissions. Activities can share files with participating activities, only supporting read-only permissions. Links. Share files through links and QR codes, only supporting read-only permissions. The shared party can view projects shared by others in shared projects. When multiple people open the same project at the same time, the CrownCAD icon appears at the bottom right. Click the Collaborate icon. Select Follow and enter Follow mode. In Follow mode, you can synchronize the display of operations another user is performing. Supports synchronously jumping to components. Synchronously displaying feature operations. Operators can end the follower's follow mode in the collaborative command. Followers can click the icon in the view window to end a follow mode. In normal mode, multiple people can edit the same part simultaneously. Select the annotation command in the navigation bar to add text or voice annotations to the model. Supports adding annotations to picked elements or screenshots. When there is a new annotation, the annotation icon will flash, indicating new messages. Click the icon to reply to the annotation. Click the team icon in the navigation bar of the project management interface to enter the team creation interface. Click the Create Team button to enter the team creation dialog box and start creating a team. Enter the team name and team description. Complete the team creation. Click the newly created team to enter the team management interface. You can add team members or share the invitation link, team code with other users to join the team themselves. In the team management interface, you can change team member permissions, delete team members, delete teams. After creating a team, the team category appears in the project management interface. You can view the teams I participate in here. Click the team name to enter the team's project management interface. Create team projects. Team projects can only be viewed and edited by team members. You can share personal projects with the team. Projects shared with the team. The project owner is the individual, not the team. That concludes our introduction to CrownCAD's collaborative design. Now, visit www.crownCAD.com to start your design journey.